Sometimes emotions can feel too big. Anger, anxiety, sadness, or even excitement. Feelings can hit you all at once. This is Sam. Like most people, Sam sometimes feels flooded by emotions and doesn't always know how to manage them. One day, Sam learns about a self-help toolkit, also known as a self-soothe box. A self-help toolkit is a box you fill with things that helps you when emotions get too much. Inside Sam's box are fidget toys, stress balls, scented slime, lavender oil, calming music, and coping cards with helpful messages. The idea is simple. When things get tough, you have something to help you manage. But when Sam first looks at the box, they're not sure. What if it doesn't work? What if it makes things worse? It's okay to feel unsure. Trying something new can be scary. Sam decides to give it a go. The stress ball feels good. The music calms Sam's mind, and the lavender oil helps them slow their breathing. Even though Sam still feels anxious, there's a small sense of control, knowing the toolkit is there to help. Later, Sam feels angry at school. They squash and stretch the slime, focus on the fidget toys, and use the calming lavender scents. It's not a quick fix, but it helps calm the storm for a moment. As Sam uses the toolkit more, Sam notices what works and what doesn't. The toolkit becomes a way to feel a little more in control. Sam starts to understand their feelings better. Instead of feeling lost, Sam feels empowered. When things feel tough, Sam knows they can turn to the toolkit for support. It's not easy, but Sam knows now they have the tools to manage their emotions. This is the first step toward feeling more in control and knowing there's always support when needed. Making your own toolkit is easy. All you need is a box or a bag which you can decorate with pictures and messages you think will help you. Then, you need to collect or make some things you feel will help you manage different emotions. Think, what things will help you? It will be different for everyone, and different things will help for different emotions. Collect and make. Try to find things for different senses like touch, smell, listening, and vision. There are so many different things you can use that you will need to experiment and change what's in your toolkit as you learn what works and what doesn't. Decorate. Make it personal with things that make you feel good. Remember, your toolkit is yours and you are in control of your toolkit.